Hi everyone. Today we are going to show you how you can configure Wi-Fi settings of a Smartify device so that it can connect to your router. There are three prerequisites for Wi-Fi to be successfully configured. Number one, if you have a dual band router, please make sure that you connect with 2.4 GHz band. Our devices supports 2.4 GHz band. It does not support 5 GHz. Number two is that the location permission for Smartify app should be enabled. You can check the location permission by going into the settings as I am showing you. So we go into the settings, we go to the apps, we go to the manage apps, look for Smartify app and check the permission. As you can see, the location permission is already enabled, so we need to enable it. It's already there. Now come back. The third thing is that the device should be in the settings mode. How you can put it into the settings mode? There is a specific switch. First switch of every Smartify device is the setting switch. If you press it for more than 5 seconds, it will change the settings, change the device mode to the settings. Okay, so it is indicated by the blue light that the device mode is changed to the settings mode. Now we need to add the device in the Smartify app if it's not already added. So how you can add the device? When you open the app, you will see there is a plus sign where it's asked you to add the device. If you press on this plus sign, it will ask you the serial number activation code that you can find on the packaging box as well as on the back of the switchboard. So for this particular board, we are adding the serial number. And the activation code. Press on the add button. Okay, once you add the device, it will prompt you to configure its Wi-Fi settings. This is one way you can start the Wi-Fi configuration. If you have already added the device and you want to change the Wi-Fi configuration, you can go to the device settings and you can start the process from there. So let me show you that also. So to go to the device settings, there are 3 dots for the device. We click on the 3 dots. Here are the device settings. Here we click on the Wi-Fi settings. It has detected the Wi-Fi already, and this Wi-Fi it detects from the mobile phone connected Wi-Fi router. So if your mobile phone is connected to your router, it will pick up the Wi-Fi settings from there. So it asks you whether you want to configure the Smartify device with this Wi-Fi. Say yes. Enter the password. It will ask you to confirm whether the device color, the settings, the device is in the settings mode or not. So it will ask you to check the color. If the blue light is there in the center, that means it is in the settings mode. We already did. Now we confirm it. It will take little time to change the settings on the device. First it will try to fetch the existing settings. So here you fetch your existing settings and it will ask you to confirm the new settings will be changed to this one. So let's click on change. It says the Wi-Fi parameter is successfully configured. Whatever you have entered is stored in the memory of the device. And if these settings are correct, the green light should become stable. It will find the internet like you see the green light has become stable. That indicates that device is connected with our cloud and you can control it now. So let's go back and click on this. You will see all the switches in the devices, and let's try to switch on, switch off something. So if I switch one, I switch on, it's already switched on. So similarly I can change the fan speed. So I change the fan speed to 3, change the fan speed back to 1, I switch on, switch 2, switch off, switch 1. This is how you can control the devices. Thank you.